Hi, I'm Ryan Chapin, founder and president of Trusted Consulting and a 26-year veteran in the aerospace, manufacturing, and digital industries. We recognize the challenges of navigating business growth, technology introduction, and culture change are often like steering a ship through a storm. In order to survive, you need the right complementary expertise to help navigate. Trusted Consulting was founded to help captains of industry partner with our valued clients, leveraging industry best practices to drive their specific outcomes. We provide consulting services in three key areas: leadership and technology development, digital transformation, and process optimization. We look forward to meeting face-to-face with you to learn more about your challenges and how Trusted Consulting can better serve you.